It is essential to know the NAEYC standards because they provide guidelines for schools and daycare facilities. It also protects the children and staff from illnesses. The NAEYC standard is broken into three topic areas, making it easier to follow preventative measures. These topics are as follows: promoting and protecting children's health and controlling infectious disease, addresses practices for health promotion and protection for children and adult staff and programs, including plans and policies concerning immunizations, communicable disease, CPR, first aid training, as well as standards for diapering, hand washing, feeding, dispensing medication, and using health professionals. Ensuring children's nutritional well being and maintaining a healthy environment consists of the best practices recommended in serving the children, such as the different ratios for each child range, to the amount of serving proportions and specific tools that ensure the child receives all the nutrients they should have. It also covers how to make menus, present foods, and how the food should be stored and maintained. The third and final section focuses on how to maintain a healthy environment. The section speaks of how to sanitize items used. It also provides the resources of approved cleaning products that should be used to disinfect, the proper way to dispose of soil and contaminated items, and not walking on the carpet that the infant uses. Becoming knowledgeable of these practices ensures that you are preventing illnesses, cross contamination, and preventing health hazards. This, in return, makes a healthy environment for the children and staff. It allows each person on staff to be more educated in how they can act out these guidelines daily. To promote child health consistent with the NAEYC standards, I will require all staff to take mandatory yearly trainings. That way, all staff is updated and refreshed with the policies and procedures to promote a healthy environment. I will also hold family engagement meetings to inform the parents and guardians of how they can plan nutritious meals at home, and also ask them for suggestions for fun snacks that they believe the children would like that staying within the NYAEC guidelines.